In this video, I'm going to give you some pro tips to analyzing color. This is a precursor to my next 3 videos where I will be showing you how to analyze your personal coloring, including your hair color, eye color, skin color, and more. Welcome to Beauty and Soul Studio. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Sophia Knapp, a licensed cosmetologist and skincare enthusiast. My family has a rich history in the blue-based, yellow-based color system. My dad was an expert, and now my grandma Renae is my mentor. I post weekly videos on color, beauty, and wellness. So if you're interested in learning more about the blue-based, yellow-based color system, consider subscribing. This is part 3 in a 12-part series all about the blue-based, yellow-based color system and how to create perfect color harmony in your life. For the next 4 weeks, we're going to be talking about analyzing color by looking at the colors that make up your skin, your eyes, your hair, and more. It will be easy for you to choose colors to wear and makeup to apply. Before we get to analyzing you, I have 3 quick tips for creating the perfect environment for analyzing color. Remember, we are analyzing what nature gave you, not what has been altered chemically or otherwise. So we're going to be looking at your natural, raw self. My first tip is a really important one. Don't analyze anything that has been altered by chemicals or the environment. So don't analyze your face if it has a lot of makeup on. Make sure you take all your makeup off before analyzing skin colors. Don't analyze hair that has been bleached, dyed, or chemically altered. Also, if you're a big swimmer, don't analyze your hair if you've exposed your hair to a lot of chlorine, as it can get a little tinge of green over time. However, if you have natural roots showing through, you can definitely analyze that part of your hair, and you can even analyze your scalp color regardless. Don't analyze teeth that has been exposed to years of tobacco or coffee. Your skin color can be affected by different things that you put in your body. Medications can alter your skin color, especially if you took a lot of antibiotics in your formative years. So let's just say that everything else about you is blue-based and you're drawn to blue-based colors, but you have a yellow tinge to your skin. It could be the medication that you are taking. Do you love carrots? Well, this delicious veggie can actually tint the palms of your hands orange, so just be aware of that. My second tip is get the lighting right. Lighting is so important when it comes to analyzing color. Avoid artificial light at all costs. See what this blue LED light is doing to my skin? Now that we're in yellow light, see what happens to my skin color? Check out what happens to my coloring when I'm in natural sunlight. See how it compares to the artificial light? Natural light from the sun creates an unfiltered image that is ideal for color analysis. Harsh blue lights are often found in grocery stores, maybe your bathroom or your kitchen, and they create a cast of blue, cool tones on your skin. These are extremely harsh and won't give you an accurate reading on your skin color. Yellow light, on the other hand, from like classic light bulbs, lamps, candles, orange lights in your home, these will all give your skin a yellow or orange tinge. The best lighting you're going to find is by a window in your home. Make sure you're facing that window, and you don't need direct sunlight. The filtration from the window will be just perfect. If the weather permits, you can also just go outside. My third tip is to analyze your coloring with a mirror or a really good selfie. A mirror is going to be your best bet with natural sunlight, but if it's really hard for you to be subjective with yourself, ask a friend to help you. If you have a really good smartphone, a really good camera, and you can put it on a raw setting in that natural sunlight, feel free to take a selfie, feel free to take a picture of yourself. It will be best if you have a white or a plain background behind you and you have no filters, nothing like that on your camera when you take the picture. When we analyze your natural coloring, we want to look at your raw, natural, beautiful self just how nature intended. No makeup, no filters, just you. Stay tuned for upcoming videos on analyzing your personal coloring. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.